miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip. I came in real crazy, didn't I? I'm back with some human hair drip from my good friends over there at Reshine Hair. We have worked with them before, but it has been a minute. But we really liked what they sent us in the past, and that's the only reason why we're repeating them, okay? Y'all know how this human hair goes. If they trash, I tell you it's trash. And we'll move on. We never talk to them again. If we like them, we'll work with them again. I have no idea what's in this box. We'll find out together. If you go look in the description box, you'll see all the details on this wig, a direct link to the company, all that good jazz. You also see the subscribe button on your way down there. Click it. Trying to get to 50K by my birthday. Let's see what Reshine Hair sent us in this cute little box. There's no, I don't know on the outside, it doesn't say anything about it. Okay. Ooh. But they did send us some extra goodies. Okay, not only, first of all, they tell you how to follow in the social medias, the little QR code, okay? Not only they sent us the wig, they sent us some stocking caps, an edge brush, and just another code for your shipping. I thought maybe they described the wig. They didn't, okay? I'm gonna read directly off the packaging. This is a 28-inch water wave wig with 250 density, y'all. This wig look like it might be money. Okay, let us see. Oh, y'all, and this is like a 4x4. This wig is about to be right up your girl alley. Extra long, okay, and easy. Cap construction, we get a comb in the back and our adjustable straps. And in the front, we get this easy, simple 4x4. Comb here to the right, comb to the left, y'all. This is about to be, oh, and we get a comb towards the back of that too. Y'all, this is about to be right up my freaking alley. All right, so before we cut off this lace, let me just put it on my head because y'all, it's gonna take me what, 2 seconds to cut that lace off. All right, so you can part, y'all, first of all, look at this. This 28 inches. Yeah, yes, I got on sweatpants and this little denim shirt like I just been released out of jail. Y'all look, okay? We can part this wig anywhere in that little 4x4 space. So you can part it down the middle and then just shift it if you want. Ooh, y'all, this is gonna be money, huh? But you can part this anywhere in that 4x4 space. Okay, y'all, let's cut off this. Yeah, this might be my Mardi Gras wig. Let's cut off this little strip of lace, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. I'm walking Okay, so this is a beginner wig wearer's dream. And y'all know, like I said, even though I've been wearing wigs for 5-6 years, I'm still a beginner because I don't like hair. I don't like combing the hair. That's why I'm really bald in real life. So because this is a 4x4, you saw you got that little piece of lace, y'all. I put some powder over it and it worked out wonderfully. I am absolutely in love with this wig. The fact that you can get this look with little to no work is right up my alley, y'all. They also make this wig with a 13x7, 13x4, all that good jazz. But for somebody like me, a 4x4 is right up my alley, okay? I decided to shift my part over here to the left, but you know you can pull it to the right, you can pull it down the middle, wherever you want to put it. And this is what you will get. Y'all, is this gonna be my Mardi Gras wig? Because it's not too hot, not too cold, so you know I ain't gonna have no heat stroke with all this hair out there. But this a look, ain't it? Y'all, I really 1000% recommend this one. I've been filming all day. You will see this little denim shirt for the next couple of uploads. And y'all, this by far is my favorite human hair wig that I reviewed. So 1010% I can recommend this one by Reshine Hair. If you look in the description box, you should also see a coupon code to where you can go and pick this little bopper up. If 28 inches is too long for you, they made it in a shorter. If 28 inches ain't long enough, y'all, I want to say this wig went up to 32 inches, and that just is mind-blowing to me. So, yes, definitely recommend this one. Go pick this one up. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Tanya. Maybe it's your Uncle Tommy. Send either one of them my way, and me and Reshine here will get them right, y'all. This is gorgeous. Until next time, which will be very, very soon.